Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and this is episode 4 of Project Build Out. Today we are building out a view. As you can see on the screen, we have two result sets. One is of the client's dimension table, and the other is the data company services dimension table. So if we take a closer look, this service opt-in has a myriad of values, which are numbers, and our service code does as well. There's no secret that this is the primary key and this is the foreign key. They share the same values. I don't think we added that on there yet. If not, let's add that. Let's actually just check first. We can just run this query here. Execute sp help, and then place our table in there. So we get back here. Alrighty. Okay, no identity column. Small int. Okay, it looks like we're dealing with a heap here. Alrighty, so first line of business is we're gonna have to alter this table. Let's alter table. Okay, I want to say it's add constraint primary. Then we name it PK. Which I just want to make sure first. We have to no seed. Okay, first things first. We have the wrong table, which is quite hilarious. So we're gonna paste that there. First line of business is we need to alter a column. Alter, I believe it's alter column. Okay, yeah, alter column. What are we altering? Let's run this real quick. Service code, service underscore CD. And what we want to do is when we're altering it, we want to mention its data type, which is small int. We want to tell them it's not null because once you add a primary key to a existing column, it has to, or just in general, it has to be not null. It cannot accept nulls in general. So let's run that. Alrighty. Now let's alter that table again. Let's snatch this name up real quick here, and then we are going to add constraint primary APK serve code. I think it's add primary. And then we have to specify the column that it is going to be, and that is service CD. Here. Okay, let's see, because add primary key, this is the primary key name. This is the column. Let's see what happens. Okay. I could have sworn this had to be. Okay, I guess not. I wonder if it gives it a generic name. Ah, look, there we go. So we don't name it. It is gonna give it a generic name. Now if we just to give it a visual, look here. It's our tables. Oh, there's our data service. And now you can see it's a primary key. So now what do we want to do? Let's look here. we're going to get to the view. We just have to make sure things are properly aligned. Alrighty, so our service opt-in. We're going to cancel that out. We're going to do alter table. When we add the constraint, we do have to add a constraint, but with the primary key, we don't need to specify a name there, just for a little context. Okay, and then we're altering. No, we're not. We're going to add constraint fk serve. That's the name of it. And then we're doing service opt-in. Now I believe, okay, hold on. We do have to actually specify foreign key. It's been a while since I've had to add constraints to a table. Um, in my role, everything is pretty much built out. Other departments handle that. So this is foreign key, add constraint, or is it add foreign key? Okay, guys, looks like it's add foreign key. It may take the same approach as the primary. So what is it expecting? Let's move this out the way. Okay, so what it is expecting, add foreign key. We need to reference add foreign key, name it FK, sir, references our table name here, and the column, add foreign key. Okay, we gotta change this to the actual name because we need to reference this to the service code. This is service opt-in. Hold on, add foreign key, references. Okay, let's see. Add constraint. No, let's see, one moment. Okay, okay, here we go. FK, serve, we wrap this like that. Add foreign key. There we go. All right, so we're altering the table. We're mentioning the column that we're targeting. We're adding a foreign key on. And that foreign key references the service dim service code, which we just made a primary key. Alrighty, so now you see there, that's all set. We just actually gonna run this opposed to taking a visual of it. Let's look down here and see if we got any relationships, okay? As you can see. All right, so now let's get to our view. Sorry about that. Comment that out. So let's build a view that shows the client's CD or their code. So we're gonna do a little pseudo code here. A little pseudo code. We want to show the client code. We want to show a present address. And we want to show the service that they opted into. Okay. I was gonna be fancy and create a view for our demonstration here, but we are pressed for time. So we are going to do a good old regular query. We will just do a derived table version. So let's grab our table names. I'm gonna grab from here first because our primary key is located here. We're gonna get that alias of ds join. Yep, yep, yep. Then we do our client CD on ds dot service code equals cd dot service opt-in. All right, so that's not really a true unique identifier. It's truly not. But let's see what we got here. Um, I mean, it kind of is because it's pretty cut and dry. It's pretty one way, but you kind of could have tied it in another way in regards to our clients, but we're not gonna worry about that. Let's show the client ID. So CD dot client CD. We want to show the address. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do address. Put that in brackets. I'm gonna make this a case statement. Case when what is that? What is that a part of? CD. When CD dot address line one, if it's blank equals blank, then we want to add CD dot address to else CD address one. We just double it up a little bit when CD address else. I guess we'll do and we just want to make sure we cover both bases. No, let's just do this. And okay, no, we just no, let's just do this. My apologies. Alrighty. We do still have to end it though. I don't know why I deleted that, but this is the name of it. It's just, and then actually this is the name of the service, which belongs to the DS table, is service. I like to test it out. Sorry about the formatting, guys. I'm gonna do a top one just to test it out. Let's see. Select all. I already have listed columns. That's hilarious. Okay, so we do have a couple unknowns. So what we're gonna do here, because we are getting pressed for time, we are gonna put a pin in it and we are gonna revisit this video